students, welcome to Dheeraj Academy. So this is your biology educator Dipanshi ma'am. So as we are starting the class with the nutrition in plant, this is the second lecture where we are going to start with the life process, and within the span of 10 minutes we're gonna learn about all these topics. Yes, is it possible ma'am? Yes, of course it is possible. So what are life process? This is the content of the today's topic. So what are the life process? See, the various functions carried out by the living beings which are necessary to maintain and the continue the life is called basically life process. So life process comprise of nutrition, that what we are eating, right, and the respiration, transportation, excretion, movement, reproduction. See, nutrition is very clear. What about the respiration? The respiration, okay, as we are respiring with the use of oxygen, right, that is mainly related to the cellular. The transportation, how the blood is transporting the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Excretion, what we are excreting, is it urea, uric acid, ammonia, okay, urine. We will talk about this where the water and the osmoregulation part will come. Now we will talk about the movement. Okay, right now I am in movement, I am doing movement, yes. So this is all these are characteristics of all living organisms, okay. And what about the reproduction? Reproduction is another very important criteria to multiply their number. So in the today's class, we're gonna learn only about the nutrition. The process by which an organism takes food and utilizes is called nutrition. Why? So that we can get the energy. Need of nutrition is because we need energy to perform various activity. Right now I am talking, we require energy, you are talking, you require energy, you are moving. Okay, so this energy is supplied by the nutrients. Organisms need various raw material for the growth and repair, and these raw material are provided by the nutrient. So there are mainly two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and second is heterotrophic. Autotrophic is that kind of nutrition where the organism prepare its own food, okay, like the plants, right? What about the heterotrophic, ma'am? We also prepare our food? No. We are dependent on the plants, right? We are not like we are in the sunlight and our food is being synthesized with the help of chlorophyll. We don't have those kind of mechanisms. We need to purchase the vegetables or any kind of food through the market and then we eat, right? So that kind of nutrition, that we are taking food from the another organism or another plants, so it will be called as heterotrophic nutrition. So the plant nutrition, green plant prepare their own food. They make their food in presence of sunlight, and sunlight provides energy. Carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials, and chloroplast is the site where the food is being made. So that's why chloroplast is present more in the leaf. So leaf is the kitchen of the cell. So can we write the experiment? Carbon dioxide with water in presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll. It will be glucose plus oxygen. Why is photosynthesis important? So photosynthesis is the main way through which the solar energy is made available for different living beings. Green plants are the main producers of food in the ecosystem, and all the other organisms directly or indirectly depends upon the green plants. So can you see the importance of the green plants? Yes. Even in the biology for the grade 10, you can see the green plants occupied the lowermost level of the trophic level. That is why it got the highest amount of energy, and this is how it becomes steeper because of the energy. So yes, this is a pyramid that is showing that yes, energy is highest in the green plant. So the process of photosynthesis also helps in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. So can you see this image where the sunlight is coming and the carbon dioxide is also coming in the leaf. Water is also absorbing through the roots, and it produces carbon dioxide and sugar as a products, right? That's it. Now what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is a process by which light energy absorbed by the chlorophyll is transformed into chemical energy used to make carbohydrate from water and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is released during the process. Steps of photosynthesis. So sunlight activates the chlorophyll, which leads to the splitting of water molecule. The hydrogen released by splitting water molecule reduction, and it will produce a carbohydrate from the carbon dioxide. The oxygen is a byproduct. It is not the main product. It is a byproduct that we are using. Carbohydrate is subsequently converted into the starch that will be stored in the leaves and other storage plant part. The splitting of water is a part of light reaction and other steps are the part of dark reaction. It means the formation of glucose is a part of dark reaction. Okay. What are the conditions necessary for the photosynthesis? It's sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and temperature. Right? How do carbon dioxide and water enter the plant? See, through the stomata that is present in the leaves. Okay. The fate work of the guard cell. This is the guard cells. These are the guard cells. Together they are called stomata. It is very important for the gaseous exchange of the water, even water that will evaporate in the form of gas, and for the carbon dioxide and oxygen. So plant breathe and sweat through their stomata, which are regulated by the guard cell, and it is very important for opening and the closing of the stomata. This is how it looks like, and the diagram always come in the examination, so please note down the diagram. Right? Other need of the plants are, you can see nitrogen is very important. It means you need to provide extra nutrient to the plant, the macro or the micronutrients. Right? So I really hope you enjoyed the today's class and learned a lot with me. So if you are enjoying the class, just do subscribe and keep updating your friends as well for the class, and we welcome you for in the Dheeraj Academy, that you can join us in the live class very soon. Thank you so much, students. Keep studying.